I'm Damon Hart-Davis from OpenTRV, and we are here to help put the brakes on climate change. The big problem is carbon. In the UK, keeping homes warm is responsible for around 20% of the country's carbon footprint, comparable to transport and power generation. Across the EU, the percentage is only a little lower. What if we could help people effortlessly eliminate the estimated 50% waste within that scary heating figure? What if we could save a typical UK household as much as £300 per year to boot? What if we could do that automatically with some simple smart electronics, taking away many people's fears about their complex heating systems and painful bills, and achieve financial payback in a single winter? Well, we can. OpenTRV has created a low-cost fix to achieve what most of us want anyway, a switch that goes on in winter and off in summer, and without letting us get cold or be stung with huge bills. And without making us learn a complex system or install yet another app. OpenTRV does not require a smartphone, internet, or even an instruction manual, and costs as little as £10 to get started. The central element of OpenTRV is a smart thermostatic radiator valve that replaces dumb mechanical devices and regulates temperature for comfort. OpenTRV learns how you use your house room by room, hour by hour, and cuts the heat in rooms when you're not around, during the day, or when you go away for the weekend, for example. OpenTRV notices when you do use its controls, for example to get a timed boost because, well, you feel cold right now, and watches you flick the lights on when entering the room and turn them off to go out or to go to sleep. Voice detection is on the cards too. OpenTRV can also control your boiler, turning it on only when at least one radiator actually needs heat, rather than when your current house thermostat, often in a corridor, happens to be cold. Our vision is for OpenTRV to be controlling most of the 500 million radiators across the EU in 30 years' time, 100 million in the UK, moving beyond the home to manage social housing, hotels, and further, while chopping 8% off the EU's carbon footprint. We are selling a touch of Internet of Things magic to take the pain and waste out of space heating. We are in discussions with, and having letters of intent from, some key players in this space. At our readily achievable £10 per radiator price point, it's a no-brainer for them. This winter, we will release the first device under our own brand in the UK market. Our initial target segment is social housing, which can bear our higher first-year price. Possible additional high-profile pilot retrofit clients with listed buildings include the Bank of England, Parliament, and IBM Hursley Park. We are working with a heating controls manufacturer to have an other branded product on UK shelves, embodying our sub-assembly and secret sauce in volume next winter, with a projected value over 3 years of £10 to £20 million. Although consumer retail sales will make the most carbon impact, the commercial space, such as hotels and the management of larger deployments, will bring us the most revenue. For the following winter, we are targeting the wider EU market with a projected total value, including software and services, of £60 million per year from year 5. OpenTRV's founders deliver mission-critical solutions to organisations large and small, for example over several decades in London's finance sector. We also have previous successful startups, including an internet service provider and a virtual credit card issuer. We have commercial partners in housing, energy and retail, excellent contacts in government and academia, and have already raised non-dilutive finance from Climate-KIC and Innovate UK. Both the OpenTRV founders have an unusual and valuable skill set, ranging from bare hardware right through to human-facing applications. But we are clear that we need to add key skills in sales and product management to achieve our goal of widely deployed, affordable, smart heating for all. We are a safe pair of hands to achieve our goal of carbon cuts at scale.